Okay folks, welcome back. Welcome to FX Beethoven Forex Argo liquidity. My name is JD. I'd like to say Happy New Year to everyone. So here I'm gonna show you guys something amazing, and I will make sure that you understand correctly what I'm gonna talk about. So before I continue, this is AUD NZD, and I would like to ask you a simple question. If you can look at this chart, this is AUD NZD weekly time frame. So where do you think market is heading to? What is the overall direction of the market? How can you spot that? So if you cannot see that, if you cannot spot liquidity very easily here, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and I'll be saving you time. I'll be saving your time. So here I would like to tell you a bit about a story of manipulation, and I want to make sure that you understand it and then use it every single day when you're going to analyze the market. So this is the pattern we have here. These are your candlestick, guys, on a higher time frame. The market has started with a clear manipulation to the upside. As you can see here, this is a manipulation to the upside, guys. Market is trying to push higher on this level, trying to push higher, manipulating this candle. So after this manipulation, what do you expect? You expect what? You expect a buy move. You expect a buy move, and it has already occurred, folks. As you can see it on this chart from here, you can see that market traveled all the way to the top. As you can see, it traveled all the way to the top. It traveled all the way to the top, folks. I'm trying to draw something so that you can see it. It traveled all the way to the top. As you can see from here, you can see that the next candle was trying to push higher. The next candle was trying to push higher all the way here. So this is your money. Your money is here. This buy move, this push to the upside is your money, because you understand where market is heading to. So after this level, after this manipulation, a new candle is going to target what? Buy side liquidity here. This level is going to be the first liquidity target when the market is heading higher, and then the next level can be this level or not, but the first liquidity target is going to be this high. As you can see it, this high. So after that, market performed another manipulation to the upside, to the downside, another manipulation to the downside. So what is going on? Market banks are selling now. They are changing their mind, and then they are selling the market. Remember, look at this story. We have a manipulation going higher, then institutions are manipulating to the downside. So we now know that institutions are what? Institutions are interested in a sell move. So where is liquidity? Your liquidity is going to be this low to target. First of all, you're going to target this low. Once a new candle starts, this is your quick liquidity to target. This is your quick liquidity to target. The next one can be this one, but not mandatory. But this is a liquidity to target, your first liquidity to target, this low. So what happens when a new candle starts? We want to see a zone being tested, our manipulation being tested. If you can draw another candle here, you may think it like this way. You may think it like this way. This is a bear candle, so you may think it this way. Let me clone this, and I'm gonna show you guys. You may think your candle is gonna be like this. The next bearish candle is gonna be like this. Your bearish candle is gonna be like this. So we want to do what? We want to sell this high as it forms. You get the point? As it forms. So you have to know what to look for here. What do you look for here to confirm this sell, this reversal? you have to know what you're gonna look for here in this week to confirm a reversal, and you sell and you target your liquidity. Your first liquidity is gonna be here. Hope you can clearly see that. Hope you can clearly understand that. So the secret is what? The secret is here. The candle starts from here, for example. This is the beginning of the candle. Let's say this is the beginning of the candle here. Understand the logic. So this candle is gonna trade higher on this area. So after trading higher, you understand that before this push to the upside forms, there will be another form of manipulation forming here in this candle, preparing this buy move, this push to the upside. There will be a kind of manipulation going on here, preparing a buy move to the upside. So after that, market will start rejecting, leaving what? Leaving a week there, leaving this week right here. It will start rejecting, leaving that week right there, and it pushes down. So you understand what is going on now. You understand what is going on. This is what you need to understand market. This is what you need to understand market. And this is what we always cover, and we go deep and we show you more stuffs. I mean, in our manipulation content that we do not upload here. So here, after seeing this, you understand you've got your liquidity level. Now market has permission to perform another new manipulation in order to go higher, or simply keep dropping all the way down, So if you come back here to AUD NZD, you can simply mark your structure. Let's say this is your structure low, structure high. This is your structure low, structure high, structure low, structure high, structure low. Then you have got a break of structure. You've got a break of structure. You've got a break of structure here. So this is your break of structure. So after this break of structure, you want to buy from this candle, for example. You want to buy from this candle. You want to buy from this candle. Look what happens. Try to see. You are trying to buy here because this is a deep pullback and you are stopped out. So why? So why are we stopped out here? Can you see it was stopped out here? Why is the low being taken? Why is the low being taken here? You can see that you have a liquidity run on this area. You have what? You have a liquidity run on this area. As you can see, market took out the low, so you are stopped out. So why? Because you cannot spot liquidity, folks. Because you cannot spot liquidity. So what do you do now? So I'm gonna take you to another broker, Forex. Lucas copy, because I can see a big time frame. So here we go. Now we have our structure here on AUD NZD. You can check time frame. We have 36 months. You can see the highest time frame. Always start from higher time frame. So you can see, if I can mark this chart, wait a bit, correct. So if I can mark this chart, you can clearly see with your own eyes that I've got a manipulation to the outside. The next candle is supposed to be bullish, but you have what? You have a weaker form because you have a strong rejection to the downside. This is covered separately, but I will show you on our time frame how to spot it, right? So there are some people who keep asking, I see manipulation, but why is the candle continue to be bearish? There is also a reason, so you have to understand. So because I'm not going to go immediately down to our time frame, I will first of all start from here to show you. I have manipulation to the outside. It's clear, institutions are going higher, as you can see. And then we have what? We have another manipulation. You can see after this manipulation to the outside, look what happened here. Market was buying all the way to the top. Then we have another manipulation to the downside here. Then we expect what? This candle starting. You want to see it testing this area, and then we go down. So where is liquidity? Liquidity is gonna be this low. Your liquidity level is gonna be this low. We want to see price dropping down to take this low. So we expect what? If I ask you to draw this move, you can simply do something like this. This is the flow. The flow. Right? So we start being bullish. By the end, we will drop to take out this low. So you understand what I mean. So to show you exactly what was going on here, I will change a bit to another time frame. I go to 24 months time frame to see if I can find good data to show you what was going on. There's no clear data. I will do what? I will go to 12-month time frame, and we will see if you can find good data. Exactly, this is what I want to show you guys. So you may see you have a manipulation, and then you ask, why is this candle continuing to be bearish? Because you cannot visualize what is going on the lower time frame. So now here, for example, you have what? We have a manipulation to the outside. Then you have a negation forming. So after this negation forms, we now know institutions are selling. Institutions are doing what? Institutions are selling the market. So what we're gonna do, we want to see these forms. This test forms, and then where is the liquidity level? Liquidity is gonna be this low. We're gonna target this liquidity immediately. This is the first liquidity to target. So now you can understand why this will be taken, because institutions, what you have seen as a break or sort is a fake BOS. The fake BOS. Institutions are interested in selling the market. So if a new candle start, here, we will be doing what? We will be thinking how we are going to go higher before we drop. Before we do what? Before we drop. Hope you clearly understand what I mean. Before we clearly drop, we will want to see what? A candle come back here. So before we drop, even here, we have seen manipulation of the higher time frame. Before we drop, we need to see a candle coming back here, maybe taking this liquidity, dodgy liquidity, and then we drop to take the low. So you get the idea now. Now you have an idea. So this is will be compared in chapter 4 about the story of candlesticks, understanding, mastering candlestick, and different techniques to use. That will be for the course, guys, to not be posted here. But here you can see we have this level where market is testing the level. So there's something you have to look for here to confirm a reversal on this area. To confirm what? A reversal on this area. This is how you have to read the market. This is how you have to read the market. So we are on the 12-month time frame. Maybe this time you can use trading view. Basically, using when I need such kind of higher time frames, I use this Duca's copy. You can check it in Google, and you can enjoy highest time frames possible. Highest time frames possible. And I will also show you how to backtest using this maybe in another video. So here we can come back to our chart, and we go to 12-month time frame. 12-month time frame to read the story. So if you can see this, For example, on this time frame, what would be saying, you will have for example, you have your chart like this. So you have your chart like this. So you have manipulation forming, and then you have what? You have a negation forming, meaning institutions are interested in doing what? Institutions are interested in a sell move. So you understand that you're going to test your negation, and then this is going to be your overall target liquidity. This level, this will be your overall target. This is going to be your target level, a liquidity to target. So what is your true stop? What is your true stop? Your true stop should be here. Market is not permitted to cross this level. This level is highly protected. We don't want to see market breaking the level. So if a new candle start, we now know we will start trying to be bullish for the first time, and then we will be preparing what? Be preparing for a drop. We will be preparing for a drop. Hope you clearly understand what I'm trying to show you. Hope you can understand what I'm trying to show you. So when a new candle start, let's say for example, if you go to monthly time frame, so we know we will come back here on the top to look for something to clean out some liquidities, internal liquidity, before we fall down, and that's what will happen. That's what will happen. Do you see that? Now institutions are getting in here. Manipulation to the outside. You now know institutions are going to go back here. If you were to buy this move on lower time frame, you would be buying. You'll be buying from here. You'll be buying from here. Your first target should be this high, or this level. But you understand this is going to be a big move around 500 pips or something, right? So you would be buying this level because you know you are going there, and then you will be doing what? You'll be targeting and exit the market because institutions, they are going to go down. On what time frame? Again, you can start reading story of manipulation going on here, candle to candle, carefully, and then you know when they are going to go down, it will be the time to do what? Be the time to drop, to take out your liquidity level. Hope you understand what I mean. Hope you understand. Institutions are getting in. Have you seen? So here you have to understand that there are certain pullbacks that are going to come back here because they are getting in here, as you can see. And then you have to understand market will be creating highs and lows, right? But eventually market will take out this low. That's a rule. Market will take out this low. Last area of liquidity is taken here. Last area of liquidity is taken on this level. So you understand that whatever happening here, overall we will come back down. Institutions are getting it in. Have you seen? Here, time to drop, right? You see, manipulation forming. Now you understand banks are interested in what? Banks are interested in a sell move. Have you seen another move? Institutions, they are buying from here, and then they start pushing price down. You see, then taking this doji, they come back to this level. You understand that institutions are getting here, strong FU forms, times drop, as you can see. So overall, whatever happening is to take out this low. Objective is met. Smart money objective is met. taking out this low, because you have already identified what you have identified a liquidity to target before it happens, because you understand what you understand a story of manipulation. A story of manipulation. Hope it's clear now. Hope it's clear. So this is the same process market is used to come back here. It's what they are going to use. At the same time, they are going to use that. If you look at this area, what I'm done showing you, if you look at this area on a 36-month time frame, you understand where we are going by simply looking at it here. You immediately see where we are going. You immediately see a liquidity to target. If you can look at these candles, you can easily see a liquidity to target, because you have an idea of what is going on and you know the process, the flow, what is going to happen before we target this liquidity. You get the idea, folks? You get the idea? Make sure you follow me, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Telegram channel. Click the link below if you need a full access to the course, and make sure you share the video, guys, and make sure you keep repeating this, and I'm sure, I promise you, it will start clicking. It will start clicking. Until next time, guys, good luck and good trading.